Today we will discuss the value of some trigonometric ratio for some special angles like 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degree. Taking an example of triangle ABC which is right angle at P and angle C is theta. अगर हम इस एंगल थीटा को 0 डिग्री मान लें दैट मीन्स ए बी लेंथ विल बी 0 और हम सिंपल वर्ड्स में कह सकते हैं ए और बी एक ही पॉइंट है. नाउ विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल द 6 trigonometric ratio sin theta. That means sin 0 degree will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here AB will be 0. That means sin 0 will be 0. Right? In the same way we can find cos 0. Cos 0 means base upon hypotenuse. So A and B will be same. That means BC upon BC. दोनों ही बराबर हो गए. So its value is 1. That means cos 0 degree is 1. Now when you get the value of sin 0 and cos 0, it is very easy to find the value of other 4 trigonometric ratio. Tan 0 will be sin 0 upon cos 0. That means 0 upon 1, 0. Now cosec theta or cosec 0 will be equal to reciprocal of 0. That means not defined or infinity. In the same way sec 0 is 1 and tan 0 is also infinity. Now for 90 degree angle, suppose angle theta is 90 degree, so what will be the values of these trigonometric ratios? First of all, sin 90 degree, when angle is 90 degree, that means this zy will be 0. That means base is 0 and sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. They will be equal to each other. That means its value will be 1. यानी sin 90 की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 1. इसी तरीके से cos 90 डिग्री, cos 90 है base upon perpendicular, base is 0. That means it is 0. 0 upon 1 or simply 0. Now we can find the values of other trigonometric ratios like tan 90 will be 1 upon 0 means infinity. Cosec 90 will be reciprocal of sin 90, that means 1. In the same way sec 90 reciprocal of 0 means infinity and then cot 90 means 1. Suppose angle is 45 degree. Since this is angle Q is 90 degree and this is 45, that means this angle is also equal to 45. So when two angles are equal in a triangle, the sides opposite to these angles are also equal. That means RQ and PQ are equal to each other. Let it be A because we have to find PR. Then we are able to find the values of these trigonometric ratios. So PR will be, apply Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus RQ square. A square plus A square, 2A square means PR will be equal to A root 2. Now we can find the values of all trigonometric ratios. Sin 45 which is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that means A upon A root 2. It means sin 45 will be 1 upon root 2. In the same way, cos 45 is base upon hypotenuse. That means A upon A root 2 or simply 1 upon root 2. Then tan 45 degree, perpendicular upon base, A upon A, so 1. Tan 45 is 1. Now all of you are able to find the reciprocal of the other 3 trigonometric ratio, means cosec 45 will be root 2 upon 1, cosec 45 degree is, sec 45 degree is root 2 upon 1, tan 45 reciprocal is cot 45 which is also equal to 1. We have to find the value for angle 30 degree and 60 degree. So for this we will draw an equilateral triangle in which all the angles are equal to 60 degree. and then we will draw one perpendicular or altitude or median here, which is AD. See, this median divides the angle A into two equal parts, so this angle will be equal to 30 degree. Okay, let it be 2A, this is 2A and this is also 2A. So AD is median also, that means BD will be A. Right? We have to find the value of AD now. AB square will be equal to BD square plus AD square. Apply Pythagoras theorem so that we can find the value of AD. So AB square is 2A whole square, BD square is A square and AD square we have to find here. So this is 4A square, A square plus AD square. So AD square will be equal to 4A square minus A square, 3A square. So simply AD will be equal to A root 3. Right here A root 3. Now we get a very simple triangle ABD in which all the three sides are given, and this is a right angle triangle. We will find this angle 30 degree. ओके, अब हम सारे रेशियो निकालेंगे. हमारे को एक ट्राइंगल मिल गया जिसमें हमें एंगल पता है, तीनों साइड्स पता है. सो साइन 30 इज perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So for this triangle, perpendicular is BD. So BD upon AB means A upon 2A. That means 1 upon 2. So sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2, which is very useful for solving so many questions. In the same way, find cos 30 degree. Cos 30 will be equal to base upon hypotenuse. That means A root 3 upon 2A, or simply root 3 upon 2. Now after sin 30 and cos 30, we are able to find the other four angles. Now we will find the value of 60 degree. Sin 60 will be equal to, for sin 60 base will be equal to A and perpendicular is A root 3. So this is A root 3 upon 2A, that means root 3 upon 2. In the same way, cos 60 will be equal to base upon hypotenuse, that means A upon 2A, that is 1 upon 2. Now it is for you to find the values of other four trigonometric ratios for 30 degree angle and 60 degree angle. Okay? कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया कोई बात नहीं, हम फिर से समझेंगे और एक टेबल बनाएंगे जिसको रटने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. देखिए हमने किस चीज़ के लिए निकाला है, 0 डिग्री, देन 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री. फॉर साइन, sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, simply 0.4, that means 0. 1 upon 4, that means 1 upon 2. Square root of 2 upon 4 means 1 upon root 2. Then 3 upon 4 means root 3 upon 2. Square root of 4 upon 4 means 1. Okay. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1. Okay. For cos, very easy. This is whatever we given in this order, reverse it. यानी कि 1, then root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. ठीक है. अब cos 10 निकालना है, sin निकाले, cos निकालने, 10 के लिए निकालना है, sin को cos से डिवाइड कर देंगे. So 10 will be, यानी 10 0 will be 0.1 0. 10 30 degree means 1 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2. That means 1 upon root 3. Then 10 45 इन्हें डिवाइड कर दे, 1 आएगा, इसको डिवाइड किया root 3 आएगा, इसको डिवाइड किया infinity आएगा. Very easy. In the same way you can find the values of cosec for these angles, sec reverse of cos and then cot reverse of tan. Okay, bye.